inflammation in the body. Any inflammation in the body isn't going to increase the LDL. So let me kind of give you a story so you can visualize this. Two cars got in an accident and they call the ambulance in, okay? And the two cars are oxidation and inflammation. Those are the names of the cars. And the ambulance is coming in to help getting on the scene of the accident, and it's cholesterol. And we blame the ambulance for the accident. That is the stupidest thing ever. Oxidation and inflammation caused the damage to the arterial wall, and cholesterol is only doing its job, which is patching up things after the accident. We don't want to lower cholesterol down until we address inflammation and oxidation. We need to lower both of those down, and the cholesterol will automatically come down. So lowering cholesterol doesn't stop oxidation. And sometimes we see in the literature that statins can help with inflammation, but so can omega-3 fish oils, so can turmeric help with inflammation, so can eating an anti-inflammatory diet, so can getting all the bad fats out of your diet. All of those things can help lower inflammation. So I'd much rather be doing that than getting on a statin.